we are able to apply this cross multiplication method? First of all, the system of equations must have a unique solution. For that, the criteria is if a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2, then the system of equations have a unique solution. So if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by is not equal to b1 by b2, this is the first criteria. If this is so, this is the condition when we are able to apply this cross multiplication method. If a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2, then the solution exists. Obviously, there is a unique solution. Then we can apply this cross multiplication method. However, if a1 by a2 is equivalent to b1 by b2 is not equivalent to c1 by c2, then the system of equations has no solution. Then there is no solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but it is not equivalent to c1 by c2, then the system has no solution. And if a1 by a2 is equivalent to b1 by b2 is equivalent to c1 by c2, then the system have infinitely many solutions. There are so many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the criteria for two equations to have a solution is this: if a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2. Let's take some equations. So equation number first is like this: x minus 3y is equal to 3, and second equation is 3x minus 9y is equal to minus 2. It is equal to 2. So here a1 is equal to 1. What is a2? It is 3. a1 is equal to 1 and a2 is 3. What is b1? b1 is equal to minus 3 and b2 is equal to minus 9. c1 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 2. What is a1? a1 is the quotient of first x. This is a1. a1 is the quotient of first x and a2 is the quotient of second x. b1 is the quotient of first y and b2 is the quotient of second y. c1 is obviously this constant term and c2 is this. c1 in first case is 3 and c2 is 2. Now we'll see here a1 by a2, this is equivalent to 1 by 3. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2, this is equivalent to minus 3 divided by minus 9. Minus and minus 3 ones are 3 3s are. This is again 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is again 1 by 3. And what is c1 by c2? It is equal to 3 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but this is not equivalent to c1 by c2. When this is the situation that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2, then the system has obviously no solution. So this is for the system. For the set of these two equations, there is no solution. You write it, the system has no solution. So we are not able to apply this cross multiplication method here because the system has no solution. Now let us try the second equation, second question rather. The second question is like this: 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. This is our equation. This is equation first and this is our equation second. Now here, what is A1? A1 is equal to 2 and what is A2? It is 3. B1 is equal to 1 and B2 is equal to minus 2. C1 is equal to 5 and what is C2? It is 8. Now here we go. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. And what is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 is 1 by minus 2. So obviously A1 by A2 is not equivalent to B1 by B2. So when the situation is like this, that A1 by A2 is not equivalent to B1 by B2, then the system has a unique solution. Here we can apply this C and M. So the system has a unique solution. We can write here the system of equations. The system has a unique solution. Unique solution. Now we can apply the formula. Here we go. This is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equivalent to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equivalent minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is our formula. This is cross multiplication method. That x divided by, this is very simple, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here we go, x divided by, what is b1? b1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into c2. c2 is 8 minus, what is b1? b2, sorry, b2 is minus b1 c2. b1, what is b1? b1 is 1. Sorry, b1 is 1. c2 is 8 minus b2. b2 is minus 2 into c1, it is 5, is equal to y divided by c1 is 5 into a2, what is a2? It is 3 minus c2. c2 is 8 into a1, a1 is 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1, a1 is 2, a1 into b2, b2 is minus 2 minus a2, it is 3 into b1, b1 is 1. So solving further, x divided by 8 ones are 8 minus 5 minus into minus is plus 5 to the 10 is equivalent y divided by 5 3s are 15 minus 16 a1 8 c1 a2 c1 sorry c2 is 8 into a1 is 2 is equivalent minus 1 divided by minus 4 minus 3 2 to the 4 minus 3. So x divided by 10 plus 8 18 is equal to minus y divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 7. Minus and minus will go. A1 B2. Sorry, it is not minus here, it is plus. Sorry. It is plus here. So this is plus 2 and this is plus 2. Sorry, this is 4 minus 3 and this is minus 10. Sorry. So there it is x divided by minus 2, 10, minus 8 minus 10 is minus 2, y divided by minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 1 divided by 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now solving this further, this is x divided by, now we are equating x minus 2, x divided by minus 2 if I equate this to this, minus 1 divided by 1, comma, y divided by minus 1, equate this to minus 1 divided by 1. So we are equating this x divided by minus 2 to this minus 1 divided by 1, and y divided by minus 1, again this is to be equated to this minus 1 divided by 1. Now by cross, x is equal to minus into minus is plus, 2 ones are 2, this is the answer, and y is equal to minus into minus is plus, 1 ones are 1, so y is 1. So this is how it goes. This is very simple method. First of all, you will check whether the system has a unique solution. If there is a unique solution, if the criteria holds, the criteria for the unique solution is a1 by a2 must not be equal to b1 by b2. If it is so, then you will apply this formula. Then here we go. This is 2x plus y is equal to 5, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Here a1 by a2 is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is 1 by minus 2. Obviously, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the system has a unique solution. When there is a unique solution, you will apply this method. x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now here, x divided by b1. What is b1? It is b1 is 1 into c2. C2 is 8 minus b2. What is b2? It is 2 into c1 is 5 is equal to y divided by c1. What is c1? It is 5 into a2. A2 is 3 minus c2. C2 is 8 into a1. A1 is 2. 8 into 2 is equal to minus 1. Why I write here minus 1? Because I have shifted this constant term towards right hand side. Therefore, I write here minus 1. Otherwise, in formula there is not no minus 1. So minus 1 divided by a1 b2. A1 is 2, and what is b2? Is again 2. Minus a2 is 3, and b1. What is b1? b1 is 1. Now multiply x divided by 8 ones are 8 minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to y divided by 5 3s are 15 minus 8 2s are 16 is equivalent. Minus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So this is x divided by 8 minus 10 is minus 2, and y divided by 15 minus 16 is obviously minus 1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 1. But when you reach here, what shall you do is you will equate this term to this and this also to this. So we are equating this x divided by minus 2 to this minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 by cross. X ones are x, 2 ones are 2, minus into minus is plus, so x is equal to 2. This is the answer. Similarly, here y divided by minus 1 we are equating again to this minus 1 divided by 1. So y1 is our y, minus 1 into minus is plus, y is equal to 1. This is this CMM method, and there are so many parts, so many questions regarding this CMM, and you will try them at your places. Inshallah, you will be able to do this very easy. First of all, you will check whether the system has a unique solution. For that, you will check whether a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2. If that is the case, that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you will apply this formula. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then we will proceed further in this way, and you will get the value of each variable. Thank you. Tomorrow inshallah.